Alright, so now we have our last part. Now notice this wing doesn't line up quite well, so I'm going to adjust that a little bit so it's nice and sharp. Rolling your fingers to roll the paper until it fits better. Okay. So now, we have our kite. This folds up. Both fold up on top of that little triangle. And again, if you need to adjust your wingtips, go ahead and do so by rolling them together. All right, so we should have two legs at the bottom. What's going to happen is that we're going to, in between the fold here, we'll place our fingers and we're going to fold it to the middle. Crease at top, adjust the bottom, put my fingernail in there to make the crease before do that line, and that makes a lot easier. Same thing on the back side. Fold it in, come down, good. Sorry if that was a weird video blip there for a second. Like so. Do the same thing on the other side. This folds in and over, down the line, crease, squeeze on all four edges. On the back, same thing. And I just did the same thing 4 times, so if it's confusing that I'm flipping this around a lot, it's just the same on each side of both of those legs. Right, we'll get it pretty nice looking, nice and pointy, but we can adjust it a little bit with the next step. All right, so this is another confusing step, so watch. So if we turn it to the side, you can see how our finger fits right through this middle of the two sides of the leg. So there's this line here already, and we're going to use that to open it up and just fold up right on that line. And again, this is where we get to adjust. If it's too tight, we can open it up a little bit. If these need to come over, we can roll them in so they're sharp. We're going to put it on the inside and close it. All right, so now it's closed on one side. Go to the other side, open it up, fold on that line, adjust the point so it's nice and even. It should close on itself. If it has a hard time closing, you may need to spread these guys out just a little bit more. The space right here, spread out, close in, to make it fit together nicely. Okay, so we have this, one on each side. And we're almost done. We're going to pick which side looks like it's going together better. We come up like this. And just at the very tip, just need to be a small portion of it, we fold it down and close it in. Right? And that comes out just a little bit and becomes the beak of our crane. Right? Now, the bottom of this, you can see these points are going to help us stand up. If we just pinch it with our finger and bend them out a little bit, these become sort of a stand. It's nice and flat. Okay. Bend it out, and out, nice and flat. So now it stands up on its own. We're going to open this up here and just work it a little bit so this gets soft up top. And it might do it all by itself.